Hello children. Children, this is our unit 3 from 10th class Human Relations. Today we are going to have session 3 as major discourse essay writing. Children, before going to the topic, let us see the difference between essay and paragraph. What is essay? An essay is a way of formal writing on a given specific topic. Paragraph, it is a short virtue of an essay. The significant difference is the preparation time, writing time and length in essay. In paragraph, the extended or development of a paragraph leads to an essay. Traditionally, an essay has 5 paragraphs, which includes the introduction, supporting paragraphs and concluding paragraphs. Coming to paragraph, it has an opening sentence followed by supporting statements and finally a conclusion. Now children, what is the definition of an essay? An essay is generally a piece of writing that gives the author's own argument, but the definition depends overlapping with those of a paper, an article, a pamphlet and a short story. Main purpose is to grab attention. Children, let us see some important points how to write an essay. First of all, understand the topic very clearly. Children, when you get a question to write an essay, first of all you should understand the topic very deeply. Opening sentences should be very attractive or strong. Whoever reads the essay, children, they should understand by seeing your opening sentences. They should be very attractive. Stick to the topic till the end of your writing. Yes, children, this is very important to keep in your mind. Whatever you are writing from starting to the last, the topic should be linked to an essay. Use simple but clear language. Avoid grammatical mistakes. End on a positive conclusion. Children, always in an essay, try to give a positive conclusion. Here coming to the next one. Parts of an essay. Students, here the first part, it is introduction. The second, body paragraphs. The third part, it is conclusion. You can see it is divided into 3 parts. Now, how is the format? How it should be? Yes, coming here children, format of a essay. Guess what? Introduction. What are you trying to say, prove, argue, establish? This is stated in the introduction. This is also stated in each topic sentence of the body of the essay. Next one, prove it. Yes, it is body. How can I back it up? What evidence will I use to substantiate my point of view? So what? That is children, conclusion. In the conclusion, relate your findings to your main argument. In the body of your essay, at the end of each paragraph, relate your findings to your main argument. Coming to introduction, children, an introduction should have the idea about the topic which we are going to write. The body of the essay. Yes, the body of the essay should be full of supporting sentences about the topic to give an idea about your knowledge. Coming to the conclusion, children, it is the last part of the essay. The conclusion of the essay should have the positive attitude or a solution about the topic given. Yes, children, you all know when you complete, you write the end. Yes, that is mean conclusion. Now, children, let us see how to write introduction. Strong and attractive opening should be done so that examiner goes through full essay. 4 important ways to start any essay. Using proverbs, quotes with Wright's name, anecdote that is story, surprising notes like do you know. Yes, children, which is a good essay? Yes. Start formatting a mind draft that you are going to write in for or against or balanced. There is no proper recipe for writing essays. You are supposed to write correct things at correct place. Examiner tries to check your knowledge based on particular given topic. Yes, children, today let us see one example on essay, importance of education. Now coming to this topic, first let us see the introduction. Education is an important medium of acquiring essential knowledge and skills. It is more than just learning from books. It is an effort of the older generation to transfer their life wisdom to their offspring. Our world is constantly changing and developing, so it is very important to teach and bring up intelligent people who could understand the problems of modern society and solve them in a proper way. It is said that education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. So, why is it extremely important to get a proper education? Students, here in the introduction part, you have seen that what is the definition of education, how it has come, what is the importance of education, how it should be prepared, and you have seen some quotations. Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. So like this the introduction must be. Coming to the main body. Education plays a vital role in shaping successful people. It gives us the opportunity to become a productive member of a civilized society by acquiring all the necessary skills. We learn how to meet challenges and overcome obstacles. We learn how to become an integrated personality and maintain the perpetuation of our culture. People learn basic norms, rules, regulations and values of society through education. Moreover, high quality education enables us to lead a successful life, enhances our intelligence, skills, knowledge and brings positive changes in our life. Children, in the main body, we are seeing that what is the importance of education, what is the need, how it plays an important role in changing the life of a person. It plays a value, regulations, and in the society, what is the importance of education. Education lays the foundation stone for our future. An illiterate person can find it very difficult to cope with some aspects of life. Education expands our vision and creates awareness. It helps us develop a disciplined life and provides us with better earning opportunities. It enables us to know the world beyond our own surroundings. Education is also prerequisite of the prosperity and modernization of any country. Children, we have learned that we should have the positive concept in the essay. Here in this body of the essay, we are seeing that what is the difference between illiterate and literate, how education expands the vision and creates awareness, how it develops the disciplined life, and it also plays the important role for the modernization of the country. Modern education is liberal, open and exoteric. It is the premise of progress in every family and in every society. It teaches people to reason. It is based on the humanism, freedom, equality, democracy and human rights. The content of education keeps pace with the needs of modern society and it is a mirror of its goals, values and priorities. The present industrial society has opened up a plenty of occupations which require people with specialized skills and knowledge. So, education is a necessary means of eradicating the unemployment problem. It is able to reduce poverty in a number of ways, but we have to remember that there is a great need for the growth of the vocational education so that every person could pursue a fulfilling career that ensures a satisfied life. Students, in this concept, we have seen that it explains the importance of education, the uses of education in our life, how unemployment can be solved, how poverty can be solved, and how vocational education is very important for human. Now coming to the last part of our essay, children, conclusion. Education is definitely important in one's life. A gift of knowledge can bring us to the top of our dreams. It leads us to the right path and gives us a chance to have a wonderful life. Education makes people capable of doing new interesting things that can go a long way to improving human living conditions and standards. Our whole life is a process of learning and gaining new useful knowledge. We should always remember that getting a good education is imperative in today's society as it is the foundation of our successful future. Our education is really worth investment. Only if you believe and work hard, you can achieve anything. Students, in conclusion, we have gone through all the things what we have wrote in the first topics. How it is important, the vital role played by education in the person's life, and how they are capable in doing interesting things. Children, hope you all understood how to write an essay. Now, as per your examination, here I like to say some useful tricks you can follow in your examination for scoring 10 marks. While writing essays, go for strong evidence and facts, proofs, and why you are supporting it. You should have strong reason for that. Always make a rough draft. Yes, children, this is very important. Before you start an essay, go through yourself preparing a rough draft so that you can know your mistakes and you can rectify them. Keep your language very simple and clear. Yes, children, your language must be very clear for the examiner so that they can easily understand. Strictly follow the given word limit, whatever is given. Yes, children, don't go beyond the topic. Cover the topic only through what it has. Keep your essay interesting by keeping your writing style attention seeking. These are some of the useful tricks, children, you can follow while you are writing your essay. Hope you have understood, children. Thank you.